A long time ago, there was a place which was filled with love, happiness, and wholeness. As time went by, that place started becoming crowded with unwanted beliefs and negative thoughts. Until one day, it became so crowded that you could hardly see what was once there. Namaskar. Welcome back to my channel Mind Your Mind. This is Vinita. Today I'm going to talk about inner work. And to talk about inner work, let me first explain what inner work is. And to understand what inner work is, let me first explain what inner work is not. People often misunderstand inner work as something which needs to be added or increased in them. But in reality, inner work is all about letting go of the past experiences, feelings which are no longer serving them. Letting go of the irrational beliefs which are causing trouble. Inner work is all about working on your subconscious. In reference to the story that I quoted at the beginning of this video, I referred to a place which was filled with love, happiness, and wholeness. That place is none other than our mind, our subconscious mind, or our heart. Our heart, when we were born, it was filled with love, happiness, and wholesomeness. But as we started getting older, it became crowded with things with emotions like anger, frustration, depression, unwanted beliefs, thoughts. And we systematically started storing that material in our subconscious. To make it simplify, I will say that we started storing this material in small boxes and enclosed those boxes and kept it in our unconscious. Till a time came that our unconscious became full of those boxes and it could no longer contain any more boxes. As a result, we started experiencing unwanted beliefs, fears, and loneliness. Our unconscious do not have any kind of limits. It is infinite in nature. It does not have the restriction of time, space. But we started constructing walls around our unconscious. For example, let me simplify it. When we started interacting with the surrounding around us, we started absorbing few irrational beliefs. They came to us from our parents, from our siblings, from the world outside of us, from our peers and everything. They came to us, irrational beliefs like you're not capable enough, you're not enough, you can't do this, you are too old to do this, or you are too young to do this. Beliefs like this came to us and we unconsciously internalize those beliefs. As a result, due to these beliefs, we started constructing walls around our unconscious and we kept our unconscious in a box. And addition to that, we started keeping those negative emotions in those small boxes so that our unconscious got filled with all those negative emotions. Till a time came that we no longer could serve or could understand what our unconscious was really meant of. Inner work is all about throwing light into our unconscious, understanding which feelings, thoughts, and emotions are no longer serving us, carefully looking into those boxes and releasing those emotions which are no longer serving us, letting go of the past material. It is what is known as self-work. When we will start looking into these boxes, we will understand that there are many boxes which are of no use to us right now. Those feelings and emotions have been there since a long time, and it is the high time we should let them go. According to me, inner work is not about adding something to us or improving something in us. It is more about letting go of the material which is no longer serving us. If we let go of the material which is no longer of use to us, our subconscious will get filled with the love, happiness, and wholeness. I hope you all take some time out of your busy schedules and look into your subconscious. Look into the material which is no longer serving you. Look into those boxes carefully and releasing the material which is no longer of use. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found it useful. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, keep dancing, keep moving, keep feeling.